Let's take a quick look at this question. In this question, we are asked, what is the molarity of a solution containing 5.85 grams of sodium chloride in 500 cm cube of a solution? This question is simply coming from titration, or you call it neutralization reaction. Okay, so at the cost of solving this problem, I'm going to give you two major formulas. So you drop on the comment section the formula that you prefer or the method that you prefer. All right, so we are going to solve this problem using what? Two methods. First method, first method, you will say that molarity. So molarity equals to mass over molar mass divided by volume. The volume must be what? In dm cubed. All right, so what is your molarity is equals to, what is your mass? Mass is what? 55.85 divided by, what's the molar mass of sodium chloride? Sodium here is what? 23 plus the 58.5. You get that? Grams per mole, because molar mass is in grams per mole. So we say 58.5, you divide it by volume. Volume here is given in cm cube. You need to convert it into what? dm cube. How do you do that? You divide it by what? By 1000. So you say 500 divided by what? 1000, because you want to convert it into what? dm cube. So molarity is equals to, divide this one by this one will give us what? It give us 0.1. okay, divided this one by this one will give you what? Cancel will give us 0.5. So molarity will be equals to what? 0.1 divided by 0.5 will give you what? 0.2 moles per dm cube. Because the second method, you are going to say that that is the method normally used in titration. You say molar concentration is equals to mass concentration over what? Molar mass. Okay, and the mass concentration is always expressed in grams per dm cubed. Is that understood? So we are not, but the question is in grams, so we are going to convert these grams into what? Grams per dm cubed. How do you do that? So mass concentration will be equals to what? How do you convert this thing into what? Grams per dm cubed. We say that 5.85, you divide it by, what? 500, you multiply by 1000. Do you get that? At the end, if you divide this one by this one, divide, it will give what? Mass per what? dm cubed. We have converted this thing into what? Grams per dm cubed. So we're now going to put in the formula. So we say molar concentration is equals to, the mass concentration here is what? 11.7 divided by, what is the molar mass of the compound? That is sodium chloride is what? 58.5. So molar concentration is equals to 0.2 moles per what? dm cubed. So at the end of it, we have established two formulas, okay, or two methods of solving it. So drop on the comment section the method